Yo, what's good, Pokey fam? We back again, once again on the Pokey Dares channel. Y'all know what time it is. Another pack opening, but we're gonna do a little bit of different. This is Prismatic Evolution Mini Tins opening. And yes, y'all need to go check your Walmarts. I got these from the Walmarts from that in your Easter baskets. It was like the little Easter display case. I say Easter basket, but it's the Easter display case Prismatic Mini Tins. That's where I found these at. We got ourselves a nice little amount. So we're gonna get to it. So you already know what to do. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Prismatic Mini Tins open. Let's get it, family. So let's start with Flareon. Like I said, salute. Got the call, got the Flareon. There we go. Alright. Got your 2 packs of Prismatic in here. With the Flareon coin tint. Okay. Right. Turn the light down just a tad bit. Just so y'all can not get so much of that glare. Let's see what we pull. Let's get it going, family. See if we get anything. Prismatic Evolution. Let's go. QR code for the family. Fan bam. Thank you, man. Gone. Let's get it. And it's been a minute. I've been, you know, this is my set right here. So you already know your boy been thirsty, itching to open up some more Prismatic, especially at $9 and what was it, 30-something cents? You know what I'm saying? For the mini tin. Not having to pay $12, $13 like I just did. Ooh, we got an Apex already. First hit. So okay, we got an Apex. Okay. Look at that, family. First pack magic. We got an Apex. Okay. I think it's something else behind there. Pause. Ooh. Okay. We got a Larry Skills trainer. Let's get it. Alright. First pack. Okay, we looking good, looking solid. Let's get it. And I end up getting 8 tins, so that's about 16 packs. Let's get it. See if we pull something good. First pack, we got an Apex and a trainer, so that's starting off right. Can't complain. Right, and nothing in that pack. Okay, let's go. And then the other, I got like 4 of them is Umbreons too. I got the Umbreon tins. Hoping for an Umbreon in there, family. Man, they really got these like kind of like still in there too, like on there. So you get the Jolteon coin. Let's get it. Third pack. Let's see what we got here. Crack a pack. QR code for the family. Bam bam, thank you, man. Gone. To it. Let's see if we get anything good. Which you know no good. Ooh, okay, we got a Sylveon EX. Nice. Okay. Alright, so that's our third pack and third hit. Okay, let's get it. I'm liking that. Okay, set that right over there. Let's get to our 4th pack. QR code for the family. Bam bam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. See if we get anything. Sorry about the glare. Okay, nothing in that pack. Oh, my bad. It was something in that pack. A Master Ball. So 4th pack we did. I was overlooked at a Master Ball. So that's going in the binder collection. Okay, you're doing pretty well. Okay. Let's get it. Now we got the Glaceon. See if we get something good in the Glaceon. With our Glaceon coin. Let's get it. QR code for the family. Fan bam, thank you, man. Gone. Let's get it. Ooh, we got another Pokeball. I'll take it. Nice. Okay, so we got another Pokeball that'll go in the hits. All right. Get a nice little hits. We got what, 5 hits so far? Okay. Get it. QR code for the family. Fan bam, thank you, man. Ooh, another Pokeball. Okay. And that's it out of there. Yep, just a Pokeball. Bug catching set. Put that with the other hit. That's for the Glaceon 10. Now let's go to the Sylveon. See if we can pull anything out of there. So you get your Sylveon coin. You already know. Let's get it. Ooh, come on. Oh, we got a trainer, a supporter, artist. Okay. We just need us a SIR, baby. That's it. Got some good hits right there so far. My bad, sorry about that, family. Ooh, we got another Pokeball. We got a Sneasel. Nice. Nice. Okay. And nothing out of there. Alrighty, so we did get a Pokeball. We got a Sneasel. Alrighty. Now let's get to our last 4 tins, which is they are Umbreon tins. So let's see. Hopefully Umbreon end up in there. That would be fire, family. Hopefully it's an Umbreon. For sure, for sure. Bam. With the teal Umbreon 10. I think they should have did like a black and gold 10. You know what I mean? That'd have been fire for Umbreon. But I get it. The little teal make it pop. So I understand. Go. If we get any good hits, family. Ooh, another Pokeball. Ooh, a Master Ball. A Heat Trend. Okay. got a Master Ball and a Sandy Shocks EX. We got a Sandy Shocks family EX. Okay. Nice. Okay. We may not be pulling some good SIRs, but we do got, you know, a couple little dollars. QR code for the family. Go. Can't complain. Can't complain. Thought that was something real quick. Nope, nothing in there. Okay. Let's try the other one. See how we do on this one. Come on. This thing open. Tins out of there. The packs. Let's go. Hopefully this be the one. Feel nice healthy pack right here. Nope. They say when you see the Eevee, you see that Eevee, that's how you know you got the God pack. Nothing. Nope. And nothing in there. Nothing in there. Alrighty, let's try this pack. Hey, relax. Puppies out there going crazy. We're about to go for a walk. They're going crazy. Got some new toys. Now, not that. What's this? Oh, we got another Sylveon. We got a Sylveon EX. Is that our second one? Yep, that's our second Sylveon. Alright. I'll take it. Hit is a hit. Wish it was the SIR Sylveon. But we'll take that. Put that in the collection, in the giveaway for the binder. Okay, we got 2 more tins to open up, family. 2 more. Let's get it. Let's go. 3 more packs to open up. Let's go. Go. Looking good. Oh, we got another Pokeball. Yes, we do. I'll take it. Definitely take that. And nothing else. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. There's a SIR waiting for us. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ah, where's the EX? Orgapon. Okay, we got an Orgapon. Take that. Alright, and our last 10, family. See if we do good our last 10. See how we do, how we do, how we do. Bam. Okay. Ooh, we got a Pokeball. Okay. We're collecting these Pokeballs. I'll take them. Worth some one day. All right. Let's see if we can pull last pack magic. Let's go. Last pack magic. Let's get it. Hopefully pull something nice. Nothing. All right, family. We ain't pulled nothing in the last pack, but it's all right. Show y'all what we did pull. Get them together real quick. Ooh, got a lot of Master Balls and Pokeballs. I'll tell you that much. So we're gonna go through them. See if we got nice little stack of hits. Okay, so we have this area 0. So we got a Pokeball. So that's one hit. We have a Okadogi. Is that is a Pokeball. We have a Orgapon mask. And that is our third hit. Then we have a Sylveon EX. Sorry about that. Sylveon EX. Fourth hit. Then we have a Sandy Shocks. We have a Master Ball Heatran. We have a Pokeball Sneasel. We have a Supporter Arceus. We have a Pokeball Bug Catching. We have a Pokeball Crispin. We have a Master Ball Hippopotamus. And we have another Sylveon. And a Larry Skill. And a Scoopa Cyclone. So, out of 16 packs, we're going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So open up 16 packs and got 14 hits. Now they're not nothing crazy, but hey, we got something, you know what I'm saying? Wish there'd have been SIRs, but we'll take it, we'll take it, and I will be putting these, sleeving these up and adding these to the giveaway binder. So I appreciate all the love and support that everybody came through and checking out this video. So do your boy a favor, go hit that like, share, and comment. It'll push the channel and go a long way, put us in the algorithm. So you know our motto, gotta collect them all, gotta catch them all. Till next time, family. Hopefully pull something good on our next unboxing or our next opening. Everybody stay up, stay safe. Peace.